How to fix cannot verify server identity pop-up in iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Now scroll down, head towards the option of General. Now go ahead and click on the option of Date and Time. Now over here you will find this option of Set Automatically. Toggle on for it. Once you customize this setting, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards Next Solution, go to the main page of settings. Now scroll down, head towards the option of Calendar. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Accounts. Now in this page you will be able to find all the email address that you are logged in right now. If you find any of the suspicious account, just open it and click on Delete Account and remove it. Likewise, heading towards Next Solution, go to the main page of settings, open this option of General, scroll down, head towards the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset all the settings. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, the last thing you can do is give fresh restart to your device. So head back, scroll down, open this option Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you shut down your phone, wait for a few minutes, restart it and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix cannot verify server identity pop-up in iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.